Hey, what's up, guys? This is Soft FX. I am Soft. Now, in this video, we're going to be looking into the Bitcoin chart, and I'm going to give you a kind of um, a back-to-back follow-up on the previous video that's uploaded. Meanwhile, if you've not seen that video, just check somewhere here. You're going to see the video popping up. Guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, drop your comments, and tell us what you think about your analysis. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. All I do is trade the market and show you exactly what I do and what I expect from the market. All right. Okay. So on the daily time frame, I did tell you guys in the previous video that we I expect Bitcoin to touch this box right here because we have a lot of imbalances to fill up in the markets, and that was a few days ago, and currently today, as of today, we actually did touch this area right here, okay, which is around 59k 600, and that is just to show you that the bias is still the same. We are still bearish. We are still going to touch this box before we see the major pump. And with the Bitcoin having just around the corner, I think 3 days from today, guys, this box right here is very, very important. In short, if you want to buy anything in the bull market, this box is going to be the right place to buy your coins. But if you already have any coins, just hold them while we wait for the halving to happen. Yes, even if you don't see Bitcoin touching this chart, this box right here, definitely the market is going to start pumping again. But if you touch this box over here, it is going to balance the market so that we don't have a scenario in the future whereby we just come down all of a sudden start crashing, because this box is very, very important. So that being said, um, the market is still bearish. I am still expecting Bitcoin to touch this area, and if we zoom out a little bit, we will see that this trend line right here, um, there's a trend line somewhere in this area. There's a trend line somewhere around here. Okay, this trend line over here, like I told you in my previous video, I'm expecting Bitcoin to touch this trend line. Some, even if we don't touch it around this area, sometime in the future during the bull market, we're definitely going to touch this trend line. So if you see, like I told you in the previous video, if you see Bitcoin maybe piercing through this box, just don't be afraid. Just know that we're coming to touch this trend line, because this actually is the trend for the bull run, if you ask me. So that being said, what are the trading opportunities for those who might want to short Bitcoin to this level? Um, for us to do that, let's head over to a smaller time frame. Let's say let's go to the 4 hour time frame first. So on the 4 hour time frame, what I think is happening right now is that we are still on the downtrend. Um, as you can see, creating lower lows and lower highs, and taking out previous lows and the rest of them. So what I think is going to happen in the meantime is that some kind of um, we might see some kind of pump. Um, okay, we might see some kind of pump all the way to this level before we start seeing a kind of push downwards. So we might see some pump. So, but for analysis sake, um, what I will actually do is to measure from this area. Okay, is to measure from this area down to this place, and where I think a very good trading opportunity is going to be around this area right here, this other block over here, this other block over here, and this point over here. So this is where I think we're going to have good selling opportunities. All right, good selling opportunities. So let me just map out those areas. Like we're going to have a good opportunity over here. This in my in for me is actually the best place to sell, which is around 66K. But because of these imbalances that are above this area over here, we might see some kind of movement like this. We might see this kind of movement. We might see this, then see it kind of pierce over here, inducing buyers, then start going downward. So this is what I think is going to happen in the market. So if you are selling, all you need to do is to wait, because as a trader, you already have your own entry model on how um, the setups you see before you trade. Okay, if you want me to make a video on how the setups I use and the whole rest of them, you can also drop the comments in the video and below this video, and I will make a video about that. So this video is not about my trading style; it's about telling you, the areas I think that might be okay for you to sell. So this whole area over here, this whole area over here, this whole area is where you should be looking for selling opportunities. Okay, and yeah, so that's all for Bitcoin. But like I said, on the long run, Bitcoin is still, on the bigger picture, Bitcoin is still bearish, and I still expect Bitcoin to hit this box. And if you want to sell and set your targets on this box, this area right here should be a very good area to sell. So that being said, remember guys, I also trade Nasdaq, and currently I have a trade running on Nasdaq, which I just placed like few hours ago, and I'm expecting Nasdaq to pump all the way to this level, before we retest backwards. So if you also want to place a trade on Nasdaq, sell trade on Nasdaq, this area should also be where you should be looking for a sell opportunity. So yeah, that's all. And for those asking about bonk and meme coins, what is happening? Well, for me, just saying that you guys should hold, because the bull run is just around the corner. The bull run is just around. I think it's just 3 days from today. So um, we are going to see the market start moving, and just hold your coins. This is the right time to be accumulating, because it's not the right time to be selling. All right, guys. So that is the analysis for Bitcoin specifically, and what to expect from Bitcoin. So even those that might want to buy, all right, you still have buy opportunities. If you go down to the lower time frame, there's actually a buy opportunity right here, which for those who want to buy, well, it depends on when you are watching this video. But if you just watch this video when I uploaded it, then this might actually be a good opportunity. So as you can see over here, I just marked out this few hours ago. This is actually a shift in market structure, telling you that there's going to be a retracement. A retracement is occurring over here. As you can see, this low high, then this low over here, and then this displacement, creating this shift in market structure over here. So this simply means a reversal. So that reversal is now what is going to take us all the way to this level, which I tell you is a very good selling opportunity. So you may also want to long from this area if you watch this video when I uploaded it. So but apart from that, this level is a very good level to look for sell setups and sell the market. So guys, that is the update. If you need more analysis like this, let me know in the comment section. And also guys, if you want me to share my trading strategies with you guys, drop it in the comment section. Till the next video, stay safe and do have a lovely night ahead. Bye.